There are plugins like on WordPress, Yoast comes to mind, like Yoast
Yep.
SEO, right? It seems to be a very popular platform, a popular SEO plugin that WordPress folks use. On Shopify also, there are other types. There's a variety of them out there.
Yep.
Sometimes I use them for Shopify. Sometimes I just, because the level of sophistication I have with SEO, right? The technical SEO, especially thanks to Ubersuggest when it tells me there are critical errors and warnings and stuff like that. I would rather go in and actually change it myself rather than utilize a tool that sits on top of my app.
It makes it more efficient. And like, even for me, I use the Yoast SEO plugin myself for my WordPress site. I mainly use it to create my XML sitemap. And then I just go in there and upload that to Google Search Console so they can index my site. But again, Shopify.